We now have a question from vectors. We are given the box product of three vectors is 0. Let's see the box product. It would be alpha minus 1 by alpha. It's 1, 1. 1 beta minus 1 by beta. 1, 1, 1 and half. So we'll evaluate this. To do it, we'll subtract column 3 from column 2. So we'll get 0 here. This beta will go away. We'll get a half here. And then we'll subtract column C1 goes to C1 minus alpha minus 1 by alpha C3. So this will go away. This will become 1 minus alpha minus 1 by alpha. So 1 minus half alpha minus 1 by alpha. Then we will just open it along this row. So we'll get these two are 0, so they are so these two won't contribute in the determinant value. We are left with 1 into this minus this into this. This is half 1 minus alpha minus 1 by alpha. Minus into minus 1 by beta is plus 1 by beta into 1 minus half is 1 by alpha, which is 0. So we have half minus, this becomes 1 by alpha. So 1 upon 2 alpha plus 1 upon beta minus 1 upon 2 alpha beta into alpha minus 1 is equals to 0. Which is beta plus 2 alpha minus alpha minus 1 upon 2 alpha beta equals to 0, which gives us alpha plus beta plus 1 equals to 0. We are given that alpha comma beta comma 2, this point lies on this plane. That means 3 alpha plus 3 beta minus 2 plus L equals to 0. We know alpha plus beta is minus 1, so we get 3 times alpha plus beta minus 2 plus L equals to 0, which implies 3 times minus 1 minus 2 plus L equals to 0, which gives us L is equals to 5.